Okay, so it's finally arrived and I thought I'd have to share the moment where I opened the box with you, my subscribers. It's all down to you and passing the 100k subscribers, the reason I've been sent this special delivery. So it's unopened. I'm going to open it on camera just to, share the moment with you and just to celebrate it a little bit, really. It's the YouTube label here is a bit obscured by the stickers that I put on there. I've also censored my address. I'm sure you understand. Funny really, for something so special, the box itself looks a little bit scruffy, but hey, I'm not complaining. So there we go, we're in the box. Got a nice protective layer here. What else have we got? We've got a little congratulations, I guess from the manufacturers of the actual silver play button. So it says, "We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick." So thanks, Rick. If your award was damaged, no, it's not damaged. Hopefully, fingers crossed. And we've got a nice little letter to go with it from the CEO of YouTube, which is really nice. Nice quality paper, nice texture, nice grain to it. Probably can't see it on camera. And there we go. Wow, here it is. Gosh. So, as you probably noticed, if you're familiar with the silver play button, you'll know that it's changed the look. It's a new design. Beautiful. I really like the old design as well, actually, I have to say. But this design is really beautiful as well. So, here we go. And then obviously it's printed on here, or it's actually raised a little bit. Beautiful. Really shiny, really reflective on that bit as well. Gorgeous. So, because I'm a high school teacher, my pupils at the school that I teach at have been asking me constantly when I'm going to get my silver play button. So this one's for you lot. Probably going to put up in my school, pride of place, so I can show off to all the pupils there, because I'm sure they'll be interested anyway. Amazing. Thanks so much for everyone who's subscribed to me over the last 3 years now. I said this previously, but it started off with maybe 50 people after the first 12 months, and then suddenly it began to sort of take off. Never quite imagined it would reach this milestone. Absolutely amazing. Hopefully it's not going to stop here and we'll keep going. A bit ambitious to think I could reach the gold one, but hey, you never know. I'm going to keep producing the content anyway, and with your support we'll keep growing and keep building our art journey together. Thanks again. See you back here for another tutorial soon.